Welcome back to SMS News,
Home of the Saints,
with Dune,
Benton,
and Joey.
Here's our first segment with Rose, Eli, Caitlin, and Marcella with the interview with Miss Brennan. Did you know she was in 8th grade 11 years ago and now she's teaching at the same school?
Hi everyone. I'm Caitlin.
I'm Eli.
and I'm Marcella.
Today we're interviewing Miss Brennan, our 2nd grade teacher, right?
Yes.
Alright.
Is this your first time on SMS News?
Well, this is my first time on SMS News as a teacher, but I was actually on SMS News as an 8th grader here at St. Mary's.
Nice. Have you always wanted to be a teacher?
I didn't know that I wanted to be a teacher. I've loved kids my entire life, but then when I went to college for education, I knew that it was exactly what I was meant to do.
How different is St. Mary's from when you were a kid?
St. Mary's is almost exactly the same. Mrs. Webster was my 5th grade teacher, and now she's your principal. The only difference I can see is that we were only allowed to wear white shirts, and you guys can wear yellow and blue.
Thank you for your time today. Back to the anchors.
Thank you, Miss Brennan. Now to Whit, Wyatt, Luvana, and Lauren with the Baking Show.
Hi, this is the St. Mary's Baking Show.
We will be presenting 2 different Thanksgiving desserts. I'm Luvadna, and I made regular sugar cookies. This is a regular homemade sugar cookie with royal icing. There are a variety of sugar cookies that can be made as well as different icings, but these are the traditional kind.
Hi, I'm Lauren. I also made sugar cookies. These are decorated with red and orange frosting for fall, perfect for Thanksgiving.
Hello, I'm Whit, and I made a pumpkin spice cake with cream cheese frosting and a cinnamon dusting. Now, it isn't easy to make, but it's definitely worth your work. Now back to the anchors.
Did you know an average of $8.7 million are spent on turkey during the month of Thanksgiving? That's a lot of gobbles.
Now to James, Brian, and Peter for upcoming events.
I'm Peter!
I'm Brian. I'm James.
And welcome to upcoming events.
Bags for St. Vincent de Paul just ended. Overall, we got a lot of bags.
The Masquerade fundraiser ended a month ago, and the winners are Sebastian, Bates, Elena, Scarlett, Ava, Riley, Juan, Joey, and Brian.
We had some great masks. We also have the Thanksgiving break on the 25th through the 27th of November. The next fun day of school is Gingerbread Day on the 17th of December.
The I Give Catholic Giving Day on Giving Tuesday is coming up. Please help us raise money for outdoor classrooms to earn awesome prizes. Also, thank you for participating in the Gobble Gobble event where we raised money for the 8th grade trip. Thank you very much. And now back to our anchors.
Now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Jordan versus Jordan. Who will win?
Welcome to Jordan versus Jordan.
Now let's meet our contestants, Mrs. Jordan
Hello.
and Mrs. Jordan. Like a trivia game, we will ask each contestant one question. If they get it wrong, the question will go to the next contestant. Please read again if you know the answer. What was the last place to become a state in the U.S.?
Hawaii.
Where was Francis Scott Key when he wrote the national anthem?
He was on a ship outside of Fort McHenry.
What does Fe stand for on the periodic table?
Iron.
Correct. Who invented the chocolate festival?
Mrs. Green.
What is the largest fish in the ocean?
The grouper.
Basking shark.
What happened to Romeo and Juliet in the end?
They both died.
Correct. Sing the tune to O'Reilly Auto Parts.
O'Reilly.
Auto
Auto
parts.
parts.
Okay.
What type of word describes a net vote?
What kind of what?
What kind of word describes a vote?
Adverb.
I knew that one.
Who was a famous basketball player for the Bulls in 1980?
Michael Jordan.
And the score was 6-3.
Oh,
Miss Jordan. Thank you for watching Jordan vs. Jordan.
Good game.
Good game.
Thanks for watching SMS News.
Home of the Saints.
Have a great gobble day.